Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you've ever wanted a telescope that takes much of the guesswork out of stargazing, the Celestron NexStar 102SLT Computerized Telescope is one of the most popular options to consider. But is it really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why has this model remained such a favorite among beginners and casual astronomy enthusiasts? The first thing that stands out is its 102mm refractor optical tube. That larger aperture gathers significantly more light than smaller beginner telescopes, helping you see brighter views of the moon, planets, star clusters, and many deep sky objects under dark skies. The telescope features a 660mm focal length with an f/6.5 focal ratio, providing a relatively wide field of view that's excellent for scanning large areas of the night sky. One of its biggest highlights is the fully computerized GoTo mount. Instead of manually searching for celestial objects, the NexStar 102SLT uses Celestron's famous SkyAlign technology. Simply enter the date, time, and location, point the telescope toward any three bright celestial objects, and the system automatically calculates its position. From there, the computerized hand controller can locate and track thousands of objects from its built-in database. What does this mean in everyday use? Instead of spending most of your evening trying to find Saturn or the Andromeda Galaxy, the telescope does much of the navigation for you, allowing you to spend more time actually observing. The included 25mm and 9mm eyepieces provide approximately 26x and 73x magnification, giving you flexibility for wide views and closer planetary observations. The sturdy steel tripod and motorized alt-azimuth mount help keep objects centered as Earth rotates, making longer viewing sessions much more enjoyable. Portability is another strong point. The lightweight optical tube, compact mount, and quick setup make it easy to transport to darker locations where the night sky truly comes alive. Whether you're exploring lunar craters, Jupiter's cloud bands, Saturn's rings, or bright nebulae and star clusters, the NexStar 102SLT combines user-friendly technology with capable optics that continue to make it a popular computerized telescope for beginners and hobbyists alike. If you're looking for a telescope that blends automation with quality optics while remaining easy to transport and simple to learn, the Celestron NexStar 102SLT offers an enjoyable way to begin exploring the night sky. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.